Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the Egg Slinger class overview in Dead Rails. This class wields a rapid egg launcher with a 6-egg magazine. You will manage ammo carefully because reloads take about 12 seconds. Effective damage happens at short to mid-range and peaks near 30 meters. Choose eggs that match your role each round. Sticky eggs trap enemies, while explosive eggs deal area damage and healing eggs support teammates. Keep mobility high to exploit close quarters and flank slower opponents quickly. Customize your loadout with sticky, explosive, and healing eggs before each match. Sticky eggs are ideal for crowd control and area denial near objectives. Explosive eggs hit multiple foes when enemies cluster together for maximum value. Healing eggs restore teammates when tossed behind cover or into safe zones. Use the mobility ability to reposition quickly and avoid incoming fire. Time reloads during safe windows, so your 12-second reload does not leave you exposed. Prioritize flanking because Egg Slinger excels at close engagements with high DPS. Approach from angles that force enemies into predictable paths and tight corridors. Deploy sticky eggs to trap opponents inside choke points before launching explosive eggs for maximum damage. When defending, hold slightly behind the front line and throw healing eggs into cover for teammates. Keep moving between bursts to avoid focused fire and use terrain to break line of sight. Match egg types to the moment and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.